So, decisions. What way do we go? I'm going to go up the hill. Must be uphill. It's got to be. So, let's go. My fingers. Up the hill. Wee bench. Signpost to last. On the right track. There's your contemplation hut. Contemplating. Let's go and see. Somebody's left a piece. So, see what we contemplate. Liz. Nice view up here. Over the lock. Oh, I'm halfway up this wee hill. Look at the views. It's nice. I'm still climbing. Here we go. What do you know? There's another hill. I'm sweating like I'm in the shower. Anyway, picked the warmest day I think to come and find this one. But up we go. Slow as hell, you know. But up we go. I hope it's not up the top of that hill. Where the trees are. That'll take me all day. Well, another hill. But look at these. And more hills. Right, so we can hear the falls. Let's go and see through these. Right on the background. Hopefully we'll get a good picture. Let's see what we got. Look at that sign. South Car Park, 150 metres. Down there. I could have drove to that. Like mad. Anyway, I think I'll walk along the road on the way home. It's very quiet anyway. And I'll face the oncoming traffic. Here we are. There's really just one fall though, looks it. Look at that. So, let's see if we can get a picture somewhere. It's alright to hear that, you know. Not a lot of slowing down. Just me. I'll get set up, have a look at it, get set up. Then we'll see what happens. I'll take on this quick shot here, just before I get down into the falls. I'm using this tree here, focus point, and then I'm focusing on the right hand side on the ferns, focusing down on the waterfall a little bit there, and then focusing up the top, so maybe a full stack if needed. I'm at f8, 0.3 of a second, ISO 50, so I can try and get something with my camera set up, out of bag, get it ready. I'm going to be doing the, see if I can get something else. So I've moved in a bit, so I'm going to shoot there about there, into this waterfall here in front, you can see there, something like that. I'm still f8, a third of a second, ISO 50, polarised filters on, just about to move it a bit, big blue cable there, I'll just need to take that out, trying to keep that in, it's ruining the shot. Anyway, when I get back there, see what I can get. So, down here, I'm going to focus here. First, these wee rocks here, nice wee rocks just in there. And then I'm going to move it up to get all the waterfalls in. So hopefully, camera over there, flag over there, maybe a bit. Brilliant. So hopefully we'll get some good shots. Right, so I've shot that wee bit up there. Soon to turn my phone, no good. I'm going to just go in for some close-up reflections, and I actually want to do a wee selfie on that rock right there. I think we'll do that first, and then I'll get the rest of it. I've moved up here a bit, try to get something closer. Just a close up of that one. Both foot sides, so then I'll set it up here. Take a picture of these two. When I've done that close there, the waterfall goes all the way down now. So I'm going to show where the path down when I go out. So I'm going to walk along the road. Make the quicker, that's part 2. I went to that part number 1. We'll do that again. It might be a bit of sun coming through the trees and that. See what I can get. Okay, for this shot, lined up here. See there, up to the waterfall. Distance. So I'm focusing first on this front waterfall here. 0.5 of a second, F11. 2-second timer. Okay. And I'll move up a wee touch. The rock here. Take the shot speed in slightly, lighten that up a wee touch. Right. And I'll go up to the falls at the top there. Between. There we go. 2-second timer. Now that sounds good. Should be okay. So this is where I'm off. There a waterfall. See waterfalls there. Turning about. Whoever goes down there. Waterfall. There's another waterfall. So I'm going to see if there's any other way I can kind of down there. Do climbing down myself. Looks like a wee path up there, but see where the waterfall, because I came this far, nearly 2-hour drive, so I want to make the most of it. So I've crossed over here, no too slippery, it's alright, it's shallow, we got a stop to here. Zip waterfall here, moving up. Here 4 shots. They're about there. There, so try and get all that in. Bigger waterfall on that side though. Don't know whether it'll go up there. Maybe about from the back there, the other side of the river, so that was fine. I'll just turn up there and get round that side of the water. See if I can get something up there before I come back. So I've just crossed over, doing this again because I want to post it out, so back and post it out. So what I'm doing is I'm shooting straight that wee waterfall there, the centre, up, focus on that rock there, up again, focus on that little waterfall, up again, focus on the big waterfall, focus on, see what we get. So this shot set up, portrait mode, because we went the water, big rise, up to the top waterfall where I was. You can see there, all the way down, another big one there. Worth a visit, definitely worth a visit. Two wheels back in, but worth a visit. Nice. So that's that falls done for the day. I'm just going to walk along the road instead of over the mountain. There's a nice smooth road here, no traffic. If there's any, I can just jump into the verge. But it was a good day. I've enjoyed it anyway. Hope you enjoy the pictures. If you did, give it a wee like, wee subscribe. We'll get something. We'll keep going. Look, there's my shadow. He's going to keep going. And give a wee like, locals. Bells on. It's nice to see the locals. Nice scenery. I think the car park's down here somewhere.